Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use sine, cosine, and tangent, step by step. These are the three basic trigonometric ratios that help us understand the relationships between the angles and sides of any right-angled triangle. To make it simple, we'll use a helpful mnemonic, so ka toa. This easy phrase will guide you through remembering each ratio. We'll break down what each part means and how to apply it, ensuring you grasp these essential concepts clearly and effectively. Let's start with SOH, which stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. When you're looking at a right-angled triangle, the hypotenuse is always the longest side, and it's directly opposite the right angle. The opposite side refers to the side that is directly across from the specific angle you are working with. So, to find the sine of an angle, you simply divide the length of the opposite side by the length of the hypotenuse. It's a straightforward calculation. Next up is CAH, which means cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent side is the side that is right next to the angle you are focusing on, but it's important to remember that it's not the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, as we discussed, is always the longest side. To calculate the cosine of an angle, you divide the length of the adjacent side by the length of the hypotenuse. This ratio is incredibly useful for solving various triangle problems. Finally, we have TOA, which stands for tangent equals opposite over adjacent. This ratio is distinct because it does not involve the hypotenuse at all. Instead, it focuses solely on the two legs of the right-angled triangle, the side opposite your angle and the side adjacent to it. To find the tangent of an angle, you simply divide the length of the opposite side by the length of the adjacent side. This is particularly helpful when you need to find an angle or a side without knowing the hypotenuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.